Sunk it. You guys saw that, right? I sunk it. What's up, man?
What's up, man?
How you doing? My name is Alex.
Oh, Jimmy, man. What's up?
Hey, man, I'm in the college today. I just wanted to see if you got 20 minutes. I'd like to give you a free haircut.
Is this a sketch or something, man?
No,
I gotta
no.
pay, I gotta pay or something?
No. So it's totally free. I'm just literally going around asking college students today if I can give them a free haircut, just for, in exchange for a nice conversation. You got 20 minutes?
Say less, man. Sure, why not?
Let's do it.
Let's do it, man.
All right, bro, let's go. So let me just get this straight. You want taper over here, but don't touch this too much.
Yeah.
And then back here, just kind of keep it neat, and then blend this a tiny bit more.
Yeah.
All right, man. Well, first off, I want to thank you for trusting me to
man,
cut
no
your hair.
worries.
I know you were probably leaving campus.
Yeah, I was actually. I was about to go home, and then this happened.
For everybody that's watching, what's your name, where you from, and what do you do for a living?
Well, my name is Jimmy. I live in Miami. What I do, I go to college, but not here, actually.
Really? You don't go here?
Nah, shout out to my boy Brandon. He always takes me here to work out.
Okay.
I go to Broward College. Besides that, I do social media. That's pretty much it, and I run a lot, and that's pretty much it here.
Social media, what do you do on social media? You have a channel or a YouTube channel?
So I have an Instagram account. I got a TikTok. Well, basically, what I do is I do anime skits, like Dragon Ball Z, Jujutsu
Nice.
Kaisen, and all that stuff.
Yeah.
So I do funny videos for the community.
Like the anime community?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, exactly.
Hell yeah, that sounds cool. How's that going? Do you have a big following, or are you just starting out?
Well, I would say I'm starting out. I'm at 51K.
50 on what? YouTube?
On TikTok.
Oh,
yeah.
TikTok. Wow,
Yeah,
51K on TikTok.
Bro, on YouTube, oh my God, I wish I had that on YouTube.
Yeah.
But
YouTube's not easy.
Yeah,
I'll
YouTube's
tell you that much.
not easy. That's what I heard.
It's not
it's
easy.
a lot of work.
A lot of work.
You gotta be consistent every single day to post. So the algorithm could be oh, hey, we know you.
Yep, it's different.
On Instagram, man. I got 17K.
17K. You've got more than me on Instagram. That's funny. Yeah, I've got 83,000 subscribers right now.
On YouTube?
On YouTube.
Damn.
Yeah.
So it was just off consistent videos, or it was one viral video?
It was a handful of viral videos.
Oh God.
But one in particular has got 10 million views on it right now.
That's crazy.
So what do you think's your downfall with a lot of things?
When it comes to situations, I don't know. I'm super childish about it sometimes. I don't know. Cause at work, there's a lot of people who complain about their food and stuff.
What are you, a waiter?
I'm about to be a waiter, but I work at this pizza place. So I do take the orders online and stuff.
Okay.
And they're I forgot my salad. And I forgot my meatball. Y'all forgot to do this, or complaining. I'm yo, and then they give me the worst attitude ever.
Right.
Yeah, and they're they don't know that I'm a human too, and they don't respect that. That's the messed up part. But there's a little group of people that are so nice and respectful. They're hello, I'd like a salad and this and this and that. I'm okay, perfect. And then they don't have to complain about anything.
Right. They don't give you anything.
They don't give me anything.
Well, let me tell you this, because I'm 26, nearly 27, and you're 21, nearly 22. So there's a 4 or 5 year gap between us two. One thing that you've got to understand is that this world is full of people that are just angry and stressed all the time.
It's so dumb,
and
man.
you can't let that get to you, because that's going to be your downfall.
That's so dumb,
there's this
honestly.
saying where it's if you've got 10 friends, 9 of them will be positive and 1 of them will be negative.
Ooh.
And you'll always let that negative one triumph over the other 9. So you've got to do everything that you can to make sure that those 9 keep you strong, and that 1 is blowing in the wind.
I'll tell you that, when it comes to friends, oh my God, I learned it the hard way. The shade, being a snake behind people's backs and stuff.
Yep.
I learned it the hard way. I'm glad that I learned it though. I'm glad that I learned it.
It's a part of life.
What's one thing that you can say to yourself when you were 22 that you know now that they didn't know before?
I would say network more.
Really?
Know as many, learn how to talk to as many people as you can. Try to make really strong connections with the best ones.
Wow, I didn't expect that.
Talking to more people, networking, is one of the biggest things that you can ever do.
Really?
And I've learned this as a real estate agent. The more people you know, the better the conversations they get. The more wealthier the people are that you talk to, the better the conversations, the more they'll include you in their life and try to hook you up if you're nice and treat them well. So I would say if I was 22 years old, I would say go out and talk to as many people as I can that are in positions that I wish I was in.
That's pretty deep, man. I didn't expect that, honestly. I thought you were gonna be like, get money or something like that.
Not at all. Because the money comes from the network.
Yeah.
If you don't have the network and the connections and the people, you're not gonna make the money. And that's how it is.
Yeah.
So if worst comes to worst, what do you want to do? Like, what's your dream throughout life?
Oh my God, that's.
What's like your end goal? Like, what's like your thing that'll make you happy throughout life?
The end goal, honestly, number one, I want to make my parents proud. I want to reach my goals, and I want them to see, and they're like, wow, like he did it. So, yeah,
right.
That's one, and then at the same time, I want to live enough to see my brother grow, become a young man as I am too. I don't want, God forbid, anything to happen to me, because if it does, then that'd kill me more than anything, to like lose the opportunity to see my brother grow, to become like his own self. The end goal is to just enjoy the journey of life and like just witness it. That's what I think. That's it. Honestly, just witness it. Witness life. That's it. That's the goal here.
The goal is to enjoy the process.
Exactly, yeah.
That's
enjoy the
goal.
process, yeah.
I like that. Yeah. I think that's a good way to put it. You know, everybody can probably take that. You've got tattoos. How many do you have?
I got 8 right now. I got 8 tattoos.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What inspired you to get them?
Nothing. I've wanted tattoos since I was 15. I think they're gonna kick us out.
It's all right. We're almost done. How you guys doing? Don't worry. I'll be done in literally 2 minutes. Hold on, come in the camera real quick. Let me show you guys what's going on. I thought I'm about to get kicked out. I got three people right here. Hold on. All right, thanks guys. I appreciate it. Were you scared when they came by?
Nah, I wasn't scared. I was just like, damn, like I'm gonna leave. I was like, I'm about to leave with half a cut.
Half a cut.
Yeah, like.
All right, man. You ready? Let me bust out the mirror real quick.
See.
And we're all done. He's gonna be like, oh, it's terrible. What you think, man?
Oh, dude. Dude, this is nice, man. This is nice. This is nice.
Yeah?
Hell
There we go.
yeah.
I did a little bit of blending in the back, so this isn't as, I mean, you can't really see it.
Yeah, no, but I'm looking at it from here.
But it's still the same exact look that you had before. I did the same line on the side of your head. I'll show it to you guys in a sec. And then the little taper fade on the sides right here.
Oh, dude, that's nice. Bro, this is fucking, this is fire.
Yes, sir.
Yo, that's nice, man. I appreciate it a lot, man.
Of course, yo, it's been a pleasure.
So,
what you got?
These right here, Gohan, Yu-Gi-Oh! Dragon, Manifestation, a warrior in Spanish, Dragon.
Oh, shoot. Okay.
And Ace from a show, One Piece.
These are all from like anime?
Yeah.
Dang, look at this guy.
And that one too.
Okay.
And I got this finger one, but it's nothing much. It's just fire. That's pretty much it, man.
Let me get this 360 of the cut.
All right.
Do a little 360 for him. Ooh. All right, man.
Yo,
Let's do it.
This is fire.
But thank you so much for trusting me. I appreciate it. It's been a pleasure meeting you. Best of luck with your TikTok, your Instagram, your work, your girl, everything. The whole shebang. But you guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. I'll be sure to leave Jimmy's links to his TikTok and his Instagram on screen for you guys right here. But if you did like today's video, make sure you leave a like and share this video with a friend. Also, make sure you guys click on that subscribe button down below as well. We're super close to hitting 100K subscribers. And when I do hit 100K subscribers, I'm gonna be giving myself a #1 guard buzz cut, self haircut. So it's gonna be a buzz cut for the books, I'm telling you. So let's hit the subscribe button, let's share it with a friend, and thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch you all next time.